Welcome to the Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council's Fish Forever podcasts on sustainable fishing through effective stewardship in the U.S. Pacific Islands. This episode is about a project in Hawaii in which fishers become scientific research assistants by tagging the fish that they catch in this coral reef fishery. The state of Hawaii's Department of Land and Natural Resources Division of Aquatic Resources has been running a statewide volunteer tagging program called the Ulua Tagging Project. The idea is to learn more about this popular game fish. Researchers are trying to determine favorite habitats, growth rates, migratory patterns, and size distribution. The study is focusing on specific varieties of jacks, including the white ulua, omilu, and the kahala. The reef habitat plays critical roles during their life cycles. It's a safe haven for juveniles and becomes a hunting ground as they grow to become some of the reef's top predators. Knowing more about the movement of these fish as well as their behavior provides a more complete picture of the coral reef's ecosystem and helps make it possible to develop better fishery management strategies. Clay Tam, an assistant with the Division of Aquatic Resources, helps manage the project.
The program actually started in 1996 by a couple of Big Island casting clubs and our Division of Aquatic Resources. And in June of 2000, the project was brought to Oahu and opened up statewide. Up to now, we have about little over 31,000 fish tagged from the Big Island all the way up to Midway. We have commercial fishermen as well as recreational.
Hanapa, right here.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, good. You'll flip them in a boat.
Yeah,
Tag size. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, perfect. There we go.
The tagging process is simple. The angler takes the fork length of the fish, measuring from the nose to the inside angle of the tail. After the fish is measured, a tag with a unique identification number is inserted into the fish. The angler also notes the general location, date, and time of the capture before releasing the fish back into the wild.
It's like putting a note in a bottle and having somebody find that bottle and return and call you, because in our database we keep track of all the fish that are tagged and we send the anglers a letter when the fish is recaptured, letting them know how long it grew and how many days it was out. And so far the longest travel we've had has also been a kahala that was tagged in Northwest Hawaiian Islands up at St. Rogathan and was caught off Keahole on the Big Island. We've had a number of inter-island channel crossers too. Actually, the furthest one that has gone has been from Kakaako down to South Pony on the Big Island. It's pretty far, about a 4-pound fish. And last year we had an ulua that was tagged off of West Lanai, Kaina Point, and it was recaptured off Miloli'i about a year to date.
This collaborative effort provides important life history data that can be used to assess the Ulua and Papio resources at a greatly reduced cost. The project is also a common ground where the fishing and scientific communities can work together to develop better fishery management policies. So how can you get involved? Get in contact with the Division of Aquatic Resources and ask them for a free Ulua or Papio tagging kit. Call 808-587-0593 or email them at uluatagging@hawaii.gov. When participants become part of the fishery management process, they have a voice in determining regulations that affect their way of life. This means that fishery management decisions are readily supported and accepted by fishermen because they're part of the process. It's a win-win situation. Projects like this one support effective coral reef management and conservation so we can enjoy our local fish forever. Please join us again for another Fish Forever podcast, brought to you by the Western Pacific Fishery Management Council.